Hi, thank you for joining us at Rallyhood today. Today I'm going to be taking you into an individual rally to show you the signups feature on our navigation toolbar. I'm logged into our demo account and I'm going to click into our Rally Volunteers of Community tab. On your navigation toolbar, locate signups and click on it. Signups are one of our users' favorite features. This feature is only available to be created or edited by Rally admins to help ensure collaboration within the Rally group. You as a member will need to communicate with your Rally administrator if you want to generate a sign-up for things like volunteer shifts, potlucks, cookie booth reservations, or even polling and voting. You will be able to view all signups that have been created, archived, and even those that are in draft mode. Let's take a look at the budget approval for 2021 poll. Click into it. You can see from here you have the ability to sign up. Let's click on sign up. You can choose your spot and click save. If you made a mistake and you don't want to sign up, or you want to click on you do not wish to approve the budget, instead you can click on it again and remove yourself. When the signups are full, that will be shown. You can also click on details, and this will show you who created the sign up, when it was created, what time it was created, and then it will also show you who has shared it out and what date and what time they've shared it. If you'd like to share the sign up, you can click on the share button, and you then have the ability to click on individual rallies or multiple rallies, and be sure to click share. From here, navigating back to the dashboard is super simple. Locate the Rallyhood icon on the left corner and click on it. And now you're back at your Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you so much for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience here on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.